Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to show you how to customize your experience when using Devialet Gemini. Start by downloading the Devialet Gemini app from the App Store. Configure Devialet Gemini and create your account. Choose the ear tips that match your ear shape and feel the most comfortable. Our adaptive equalization technology will optimize your listening experience in real time. Choose what's best for any situation between active noise cancellation and transparency modes. To reset the double tap command, go to Settings and select Gemini Control. Then choose between Push to Talk to activate Voice Assistant or Next Previous to control music. If you want the audio to continue playing when removing Devialet Gemini from your ears, disable the automatic pause. Enjoy a 6-band equalizer with presets to listen to your music the way you like. Monitor the battery level of both the charging case and the earbuds by placing your earbuds back in the charging case. Our true wireless earbuds rely on each other in order to extend battery life. Please note that this could lead to a small difference in battery levels between the two earbuds. Stay up to date with the latest software and firmware updates for Devialet Gemini. Before starting an update, make sure that the case and earbuds are charged to at least 50%. We hope you have a great time using Devialet Gemini.